Bane je pička. Bane je u kurcu. Bane skoči odavde iz 3. kata prema dole i donesi mi cheeseburger. Ne s kamerom, ne s kamerom, ne s kamerom!
Atmosfera je odlična, ekipa je zakon i to.
Everything is going well.
Hello, we're here on the Gamersject Avenue. I'm with Enrio from Button Bashers.
Hi there, everybody.
So, Button Bashers have 3 wins by now in Group A. They've beat Team IMAX, Team Gamersject, and the most impressive win was for sure versus Power Gaming. Could you comment on your Power Gaming match, Enrio?
Yeah, no, it's great. It was a great feeling, to be honest. I think not many teams expected us to win, not many people expected us to win. It's our first LAN together as well, so it's a great feeling, and we should have really ended it a lot earlier. So it was something like 12-7 or something like that, and it took us a long time to get it, but we got it, so it's great.
How does it feel to play with your brother in the same team and still have such impressive results?
Great. I think we wanted to do it a long time ago, because I joined Reason a few years ago, and he's been playing with his other teams, so we said, okay, we want to end COD 4, at least COD 4 together. So and he's in the form of his life at the moment. He's underrated by a lot of people, so it's great to play with him. Yeah.
So if you want to end with him, this is for sure a happy ending. So what was your preparation for this event?
I think most teams try and prepare a few months in advance. We tried to do the same. We didn't want to say 2-3 weeks just playing. We wanted to make the tactics and try and build as a team. So I mean, we've only really been together since about September, October. But we've just been playing, and I think at LAN we're much more concentrated, and we're playing together, and so it's great. Yeah.
Evo, ovdje sam gledamo spec, pratimo konču. Krenulo je malo sa kašnjenjem, ali evo trudimo se kao i oni tamo u areni, tako i ja ovdje u specu da ekipi omogućim što bolje uživanje i što bolje gledanje konču. Sada to je to.
To the cloudy town of Hellview, population 96. Except the vacancy, well maybe in the shadow of an eye. All the strangers passing through it where the rules just don't apply.
Šta radi?
Cause 96 quite bitter beings like to The only way to ever leave is overflooded by the storm and entangled.
Neki igraju normalno, a neki ne igraju.
Pa zato što su na redu. Mi nismo još. Jebi ga.
A čekaj, se red kodom, cijeli red nas. C, Call of Duty 2.
Pa ja sad ću sljedeći. Igra se A grupa.
Nema veze.
Ne, bez.
Gle, ne veze, otvori ti raspored. Ako je Imex i igraju...
Jebi ga, gle, kako imaš. Mora se prvo ko 4 odi.
Zašto se mora? Pa maknite cijel raspored. Kak je bilo?
A šta će onda sko 4?
Pa nek igraju kasnije.
Ali oni su gotovi, od njima je grupa F, to je zadnja grupa i onda se god 2 nastavlja.
Gdje, eno ti dečki što igraju još, zaboram. Još jedno, kaj ja znam?
Sad ne držim ja, ne mogu sve okolo sad trčati.
Bok svima, ja sam Burky, igram za Gamersject već godinu dana, a ovaj tim koji sad igra je, znači zajedno smo 6 mjeseci.
Jeste mislili da ste mogli bolje proći koji war od ova 4?
Definitivno prvi war gdje smo poveli mislim 5-1 pa smo se opustili, to jest oni su kempali užasno i nismo znali kaj da napravimo i to nam je u principu uvijek najveća boljka kaj ne znamo odgovoriti na tu igru i onda se pošlo u krivom smjeru, znači taj prvi war i drugi isto 12-12, totalno nekakva čudna atmosfera je bila i ta dva wara da smo pobjedili mislim da bi, ne kažem da bi dobili, ali bi sigurno bolje odigrali s Button Basherima i fanatikom jer smo lagano smo pali u moralu s obzirom da su nam šanse sada da prođemo dalje nikakve.
Nick mi je Joey, u Imexu sam već 3,5 godine.
Evo, za sad u grupi A ste zajedno sa hrvatskim Gamersject timom, imate 2 pobjede protiv 2 talijanska tima i remi protiv jednog francuskog, imate velike šanse za prolazak, jeste to očekivali?
Pa iskreno rečeno očekivali smo i više, ali nismo imali baš sreće jer smo odigrali 1x protiv tog francuskog tima koji smo trebali pobijediti, vodili smo sa 10-2 i protiv Button Bashersa smo mogli pobijediti, ali nedostatak iskustva.
Za koji ward je li najviše žao što niste pobjedili?
Pa za te Francuze jer smo ih definitivno imali.
Šta misliš da je krenulo po krivu?
Pa mislim da na iskustvo nekih igrača kojima je ovo, ajmo reći, prvi veći lan.
Šta misliš kako ćete završiti u top koliko timova?
Pa ako prođemo grupu, a ne znam, mogli bi proći prvi dio. Prvi eliminacijsku fazu.
Znači top 4?
Ha, nadajmo se ako krene kako se spada.
Hello, I'm Robin Swaters and 19 years old. Back to TCM after 1 year. We're back in Croatia again after last summer.
I'm pleased to meet you again. Anyways, you have 2 draws and a win so far. Were the 2 draws unexpected or you expected Animus and MS to give you a hard fight?
I expected Animus to give us a hard fight. MS I didn't expect it, but yeah, they are a good French team, so yeah, well, they deserve the draw.
How much time did you spend preparing for the Gamersject Winter Challenge since you joined recently?
Not much time. I had some problems with my PC. Frost went to Egypt on holiday, and I think we didn't play after Christmas, and then we played the last 3 days we played, and that was it.
Do you think the chemistry between 5 of you is good?
Yeah, I think it's a good chemistry, but we have to work on it. It's short time, but it will work out soon.
How are the 4 Swedes adapting to the new Dutchie in the team?
They're trying their best. You can notice they're like using Swedish words still, but they're trying to speak English only, but it's hard.
Do you expect to win this event, or at least a top 3 placement?
I can't say if we win this event, but I hope we'll finish a top 3, yeah.
And how do you join Croatia so far?
It's good. It's actually pretty hot. I didn't expect it to be that warm in here, but yeah, it's fine. It's good.
Okay, we're done here. Do you have any final words to?
Yeah, shout out to all of our sponsors, of course, and for anyone who's making this possible for us, and that, yeah, and of course to you guys for letting us come here again.
Our objective was to go to the playoff. Now at the moment we are first at the group. That's really good for us. We are really happy.
You're the famous M4 player. Rarely anyone in top competitive Call of Duty 4 uses M4. Why do you prefer it over AK-47?
Well, I prefer is when you see a small head going top of a wall, it's much easier because your bullets go more small area. So that's good for LAN because the guys don't show a lot. So that's you got that advantage at long range. That's why I use this gun.
I was thinking that we should come like second or something, top 2, but now I have some doubts because we are failing everything what's possible to fail.
What went wrong in the games versus Bottom Bashers and Fnatic?
I don't know, we lost just by 1 point, but those situation 1 versus 2, 3 or 2 versus 2, we lost everything.
Do you think the chemistry in the team is not what it used to be?
Well, I don't think so. I don't know, we have just unlucky day, I guess.
And what about the draws versus Gamersject? That was surprising, and Ox Cinemax as well.
Yeah, they really surprised us. We a little bit underestimate them, I think. Yeah. So now we are third in group and we will have heartbreak it in playoffs.
You had an unexpected win versus Animus, but 2 lost games versus TCM and Mundial servers. Do you feel disappointed or are you happy?
We currently have 0 tactics. The Animus win was we just ran some old stuff and we just played really well, I think. I think if we carried on playing like that through the TCM game, which we did the first half, we could have won that as well. I'm not really disappointed. We're just looking, get through the groups and then go on to where it becomes best of 3, where I think that separates the men from the boys.
Jučer ste se natjecali u pro dijelu natjecanja, sada ste u Crow imate 3 zabilježene pobjede, sve je išlo glatko jer ste nositelj, očekivano. Šta je bilo sa pro dijelom gdje imate samo 1 pobjedu, je li to očekivano?
Nije baš očekivano, prvi war koji smo igrali smo trebali pobijediti, nažalost izgubili smo sa 1 razlikom. Poslije toga smo malo izgubili motivaciju. Ja sam malo loše odigrao sljedeći war, tu smo onda isto izgubili. Nastavili smo dalje kako smo mogli, osvojili 1 pobjedu i bit će bolje sljedeći put.
Je vam to zadovoljavajuće?
Pa i nije baš i nije. Treba nam bar još 1 pobjeda minimalno da pokažemo što možemo.
Kao Nimit ima 2 poraza i 1 win. Bi li mogao prokomentirati svaki od ta 3 meča?
Pa može. Prvi smo došli nakon 6 sati, 6,5 sati čekanja, počeli igrati malo nervozno, umorno, iscrpljeno. Protivnik je bio bolji na mapi i jednostavno pobjedili smo. Trudili smo se, ali nije bilo dovoljno. Drugi war smo igrali protiv realnih favorita za osvajanje lana, tako da smo trudili smo se uzeti što više rundi. Uspjeli smo uzeti 5 rundi i mogli smo možda malo bolje, ali dobro. Treći war smo, da, treći je bila pobjeda, to smo već bili ugrijani. Išli smo na sve i ništa, ali moramo dobiti ako želimo ikakve šanse za prolaz. I to smo uspjeli na mapi Tožan. Ne želim pocijeniti protivnika, ali bilo je dosta dobro.
Vodili smo 5-0, imali smo jako dobre prilike da ostvarimo i bolji rezultat na početku, ali ekipa se vratila na 5-5 i čak i povela 8-5, ali uspjeli smo izvući na neodlučeno. Na kraju se ispostavilo da nam je to treće mjesto dovoljno za prolazak u play-off te smo danas u play-offu igrali protiv tima Gumicuki koji je relativno jedan od favorita Lana ujedno i prvo jako su u skupini. Tim Gumicuki je ujedno i jedan osvajača prijašnjih Gamersject klanova, jedan ujedno i klan koji ima konstantnu u lanovima i online igranju, tako da mislim da smo, mogli uzeti još koju rundu, ali u globalu smo odigrali vrlo dobro. Na početku smo i čak, usudim se reći, namučili, možda to oni neće priznati, ali ja gledam na to tako.
Koja tri tima vidiš u vrhu Call of Duty 2?
Definitivno vidim tima Servitas, koji je jako moćan i to je pokazao online, doduše kratko su vrijeme zajedno, ali pojedinačno imaju jako kvalitetne igrače i možda imaju i taktiku čak solidnu, ali pojedina igra im je jako dobra i mislim da bi mogli daleko dogurati. Među prva tri definitivno. Evo, sudjelujem u Gamersject staffu, dio sam i kao organizator jednim dijelom, malim dijelom. Ekipa je tu, dala je sve od sebe i to je najbitnije. Mnogi to možda neće prepoznat, ali evo stvarno želim da iznova Gamersject kao organizacija, kao organizatori lanova, stvarno mislim da idemo iz boljega u bolje i da se trudimo i da jednostavno mora funkcionirati na bolje.
Yeah, it was really tough on strike. On Crossfire we had the momentum, we just pretty much did what we always do and played really good. But on strike it was really hard. They were really good, really well stratted.
Pa sigurno da dečki su odigrali jedan jeben meč, dakle 2 produžetka i pas u trećem protiv TCM-a koja je treća najbolje rankirana ekipa je sigurno uspjeh. Jebi ga, malo iskustva tu fali i činjenica da je Predator uletio u tim 6 dana prije Lana, dakle koliko je tu bilo vremena za nekakva posebno igravanja i ne previše, ali da potencijala u timu ima definitivno, ima i mislim da je bio live stream i svi su to vidjeli koliko su dečki u stvari dobro odigrali. Druga mapa, jebi ga, to bit će bolje drugi put.
It did, but we showed we can be really a top team. I mean, we did it in the group.
Yeah, indeed.
And then, everybody has to lose sometime,
Of course.
We had a bad day, I guess. Crash, we did really well. We did what we had to do. It was 6-6 when we attacked. We got 6 rounds, which was really good. But then it became 6-11. We lost 5 straight rounds in defense, which is... We didn't adapt.
Mind-blowing.
Yeah, it's mind-blowing. Yeah, exactly. But we adapted. When we were 12-11 down, we showed a true spirit. I think it was me, Ono, and Jermaine. 3v5, they planted the bomb on A, and we clutched around, and it made it 12-12. So it was really even. I have to say that. Animus are an incredible team, nice guys. So.
Za ostatak turnira, pogotovo do igravanja, najviše se bojite?
Bojimo Gamersjecta i Acerbitasa, mi smo 3 najveća favorita tu na Lanu, tako da...
Od stranih timova?
Sifius i ovi Infinity, što su s nama u grupu.
Mislite li da, osim tih 5, da neki drugi tim može iznenaditi?
Može, Poljaci, Team Marš, iako smo s njima igrali online i dosta smo dobro odigrali protiv njih, tako da mislim da nisu nešto. I Pimpeki, naravno, naši domaći.
Očekujete znači top 3 završetak?
Tako.
Ima nas dosta u klanu jer taj počeo ko mix klan biti i nikad nismo imali nekakva očekivanja, nego igramo više onako iz zabave, ali to je skupina onako dobrih igrača, vrlo dobrih igrača, tako da uvijek imamo ipak neke rezultate. Prošli recimo Gamersject klan, uspjeli smo 3. mjesto dobiti, tako da nemamo nekakve taktike i to više razrađeno, svi igraju nekako po svom feelingu. I uvijek znamo iznenaditi i najbolje klanove, tako da svašta se može desiti.
with 4 Hungarian and 1 Slovakian player, we just finished 3rd in the Code 4 Pro competition.
Do you feel satisfied with the 3rd place, or do you think you could have done better?
Yeah, we are 100% satisfied. We didn't expect to finish top 3, we just hoped it. After we seeing we got to face button bashers in the first round of the playoff, we were kind of like scared, yeah, but we were really happy after we could beat button bashers, and then we were quite unlucky against Power.
What do you think that went wrong in the semi-finals?
Maybe wrong maps were taken.
Well, of course I want to be first, but based on the amount of practice we had, I've just joined the team. I'm satisfied with 2nd place, yeah.
What do you think what went wrong in the finals?
I don't know. Paradox was playing 6th for Power Gaming, and I think we gave them too much respect as well. And on the city streets they were just dominating. They were like fire on fire, and they just destroyed us.
Hello from the Gamersject venue. I'm here with the Gamersject Winter Challenge Call of Duty Pro competition winners, Paradox from Power Gaming. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Could you comment, you lost the first map in the finals. What happened in the other 2?
Well, we lost the first map, and I don't know how could we lose it. It was our map, it's our best map, but we just couldn't handle their attack. But those other maps, well, Backlot is our worst map, so I don't even know how it's possible we won it. Because they are good on it, but we tried, we couldn't lose anything, so we just tried and we just won it.
Prvi feedback od stranaca je veoma pozitivan, znači nije bilo nekakvih kašnjenja, kompjuteri su dobro radili, struja je odlična, tako da postovi na strane foruma govore da sam jako dobar posao za prvi dan.
It means you can get food easy, it means you can get just anything easy because it's in a massive shopping mall, but the actual venue is pretty nice. It's all spacious inside, and yeah, it's quite a change from what I heard from the last games.
The spot is really pro here. The PCs work really well. This spot of the arena is the first time we play like this. It's really cool because we can go anywhere to take drinks and food. Really good. Speed was just one good beach and area for summer, but here is really more professional, and I really prefer this event.
Fantastic, that's all I can say. I mean, it's held in a shopping mall. I mean, if you can't spec the games or done with the games, you can walk downstairs, get something to eat. Yeah, there's always something to do, you know.
And that's for the venue?
Amazing. I think it's really good.
They were very helpful, the venue is beautiful and it's amazing. I really like this venue.
Yeah.
And the event went quite well. Considering I was in a lot of events in Europe, in Hungary, in Denmark, in Italy, this event really went well. There were only 2 hours a day or 3 hours, and it managed really well.
Iz Arena Centra, na zadnjem katu Arena Centra, dobra večer iz Arena Centra, uživo iz Arena Centra, iz Arena Centra. Hello, my name is Max, I'm here with Jamie. Hello, my name is Max, I'm here with Robin. Hello from the Gamersject venue, I'm here with live from the Arena Center talking to is Maxi. Iz Avenue, Arena Centra.
Damir, muzikant.
S početka, ovo je inteližan.
Odmah epic. Ja, znaš kaj, Stilanova sa mnom uvijek smijelja. Ja sam Damir Hamzić iz Gumicukija, jednog od najboljih timova u Hrvatskoj. Nemoj se smijati, jer Boga. A kaj da kažem jedno?
Hans, mani se za glavu, neka sidi doli.
Pa pritužbe s moje strane nema. Jedno što je problem s Counter-Strike Sourceom, to je bilo kašenje jučer gdje smo cijeli turnir zapravo kasnije od 3 sata zbog Counter-Strike Source-a, gdje je Steam izdao update za Counter-Strike Source dan prije, gdje se mora na svih 60 kompova povući, to je što je stvorilo zapravo zagušenje prometa, te se sporo to sve odvijalo. No nakon 3 sata Savix, koji je zapravo glavni bio za cijeli turnir u organizaciji, kao i Velvet koji je došao pomoći iz Engleske, član Vita Nove, odradili su fenomenalan dio posla, pogotovo Savix, gdje je sve sa 3 sata kašnjenja svedeno na svega 15 minuta na kraju.
Bilo što je htio dodati za kraj?
Ništa, hvala svima koji su sudjelovali, nadam se da vam je bilo super i da se vidimo na Gamersject Summer Challenge-u.
Dobar dan, uživo iz arene Centra. Javljaju se producenti, tonski stručnjak. Od prije 2 dana i jučer i prekjučer i danas smo udarili pun kurac posla, je li tako ba?
Pa skoro 7 sati materijala.
Da,
to bi rezultiralo jako puno rada u producentskom dijelu, sve to narihtat materijal, evo kao što vidite reakciju, još nije gotovo, ovo traje,
tek se zahuktava, tako da...
Tek je 2 sata.
Tek se zahuktava, tako da nas pravi posao još uvijek čeka. Ja sam možda ovaj cijeli vikend spao 4 sata sve ukupno. Još sam otišao na ispit, položio ispit, došao ovdje snimat, bole me noge, nemam noge, samo malo. Imam noge, ali ih ne osjećam. Sva sreća da imam Baneta kraj sebe koji mi pomaže, inače nema teoretske šanse da bi pol toga obavio. Tako da eto, drago mi da smo odradili ovaj projekt kako treba. Očekivao sam čak i lošije, tako da je ovo ispalo predobro.
Definitivno.
Across the distance and spaces between us, you precious to you.